Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something huge that's happening right now in the heart of New York City, and it involves one of the biggest names in crypto investment, Grayscale, and a digital asset that's been at the center of countless debates, XRP. If you've been following the crypto space, you know that the conversation around XRP has often been dominated by its long-standing legal battle. But something is shifting, and Grayscale is making a very public, very tangible statement about it. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of New York, and you're met with massive, striking installations. These aren't just any ads. They're bold declarations from Grayscale, a giant in the world of digital currency asset management. And what are they highlighting? XRP. The message is clear and powerful. XRP, real-world utility, made tangible. This isn't just marketing fluff. It's a significant move by a major institutional player, and it's happening for a reason. Grayscale has included XRP in its Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, or GDLC for short. This is a multi-asset fund, meaning it holds a basket of the largest and most liquid digital assets. For XRP to be part of this select group, alongside giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, speaks volumes. Grayscale doesn't just add assets on a whim. Their decisions are based on rigorous analysis, market capitalization, and, most importantly, perceived utility and long-term potential. By featuring XRP so prominently in their New York campaign, they're essentially telling the world, and specifically the traditional finance world of Wall Street, that they see XRP as more than just a speculative token. They see it as a key player with tangible, real-world applications. So, what does real-world utility actually mean in the context of XRP? For years, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been focused on revolutionizing cross-border payments. The traditional system for sending money internationally is slow, expensive, and clunky. It relies on a network of correspondent banks, and transactions can take days to settle, racking up fees along the way. Ripple's solution, which utilizes the XRP ledger, aims to make these transactions instantaneous, cheap, and reliable. XRP acts as a bridge currency, allowing for the seamless exchange of different fiat currencies in a matter of seconds. This is a massive improvement over the status quo, and it's a utility that solves a very real, multi-trillion-dollar problem. This isn't just a theoretical concept. Companies are actively using Ripple's payment solutions, leveraging the speed and efficiency of the XRP ledger. This is what Grayscale is tapping into. Their campaign isn't just about the token, it's about the underlying technology and the problem it solves. When they say made tangible, they're pointing to these existing use cases and the potential for massive expansion. Think about it. In a world that's becoming more globalized every day, the need for a fast, efficient, and low-cost way to move value across borders is more critical than ever. The timing of this campaign is also incredibly strategic. With the crypto market maturing and regulatory clarity slowly starting to emerge, institutional investors are looking for assets with solid fundamentals and clear use cases. They're moving beyond the initial hype phase and are now focused on long-term value. Grayscale's public endorsement of XRP's utility positions it perfectly to attract this new wave of serious institutional capital. By plastering this message across New York City, the financial capital of the world, they are directly communicating with the decision-makers in banking, finance, and investment. They're making it impossible to ignore. This is also a major confidence boost for the entire XRP community, which has stood by the project through thick and thin. For them, this is validation from a respected institution that their belief in XRP's utility was well-founded. It signals a potential shift in the broader market perception, moving the narrative away from legal uncertainties and towards its technological strengths and real-world applications. Let's break down the significance of the GDLC fund itself. The Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund is designed to give investors exposure to the top tier of the digital asset market, without them having to buy and store the individual assets themselves. It's a regulated, secure, and familiar investment vehicle for traditional investors. XRP's inclusion, and now its prominent feature in their marketing, suggests that Grayscale's analysis shows it to be a fundamental piece of the future digital economy. They are betting that as the world continues to digitize, the need for a protocol designed for value transfer will become increasingly apparent and valuable. This campaign also subtly challenges the prevailing narratives. For a long time, the focus in crypto has been heavily on Bitcoin as a store of value and Ethereum as a smart contract platform. While both are incredibly important, Grayscale is broadening the conversation. They are highlighting that the digital asset ecosystem is diverse, with different assets designed to solve different problems. They are presenting XRP as the specialist in payments and value transfer, a distinct and vital role within this new financial landscape. What could this mean for the future? Well, increased institutional interest often leads to greater liquidity, market stability, and ultimately, adoption. When a firm like Grayscale shines such a bright spotlight on an asset's utility, other funds and institutions take notice. It prompts them to do their own due diligence, to reevaluate their own theses, and potentially to allocate capital. This can create a domino effect, driving further research, development, and integration of the technology. This isn't just about price speculation, although that's often the first thing people think about. It's about the fundamental integration of this technology into our global financial plumbing. The vision for XRP has always been ambitious: to create an internet of value, where money moves as freely and quickly as information does today. Grayscale's campaign is a powerful signal that this vision is not just a distant dream, but is becoming a tangible reality. Think about the implications for international trade, for remittances sent home by migrant workers, for e-commerce, and for a whole host of other industries. A faster, cheaper, and more reliable payment system would be transformative. This is the real-world utility that the installations in New York are talking about. It's about solving real problems for real people and businesses. So, as you see the images of these Grayscale ads circulating online, remember what they represent. It's more than just an advertisement. It's a statement of conviction from one of the most influential players in the crypto investment space. It's a recognition of XRP's unique value proposition and a nod to the years of development that have gone into building its ecosystem. And it's a very public invitation for the rest of the financial world to take a closer look at what XRP and the XRP ledger have to offer. The narrative is changing, and it's exciting to watch it unfold in real time on the streets of New York City. This campaign could very well be looked back on as a pivotal moment in the journey of XRP, marking the point where its perception shifted decisively from a speculative asset to an essential piece of financial infrastructure. The future of finance is being built today, and according to Grayscale, XRP is a tangible part of it. What do you all think about this move by Grayscale? Does this change your perception of XRP? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I'm really curious to hear your take on this. It's a massive development and one we'll be keeping a very close eye on. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated on all the latest in the crypto space, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more content coming your way. Until next time, take care.